Hey guys, this is my slime that I just made out of petrol and salt, and the color is made. It's just like normal things on it. So I was gonna wait for about like 24 hours. You know, chill and all that stuff. So I don't record this because I don't want you guys to know what ingredients I'm using. So it's on the what's supposed to be? I don't know, forgot. Link below, and that will I've read it already. So yeah, so please enjoy, and I hope you guys really enjoy this video. So I'm just gonna wait for about 24 hours. I don't know if this works because I'm a frail slime maker. I swear I am a frail slime maker. And it should work. Last time